What's up guys? Today we're building version 2 of the ultimate exhaust for my VR6 Turbo Corrado. I am super pumped about this because I've wanted to change this exhaust since nearly the day I put it on. So, a little reminder what we got going on here, because I think it's been about a year and a half since we've touched it. We got a sweet 3-inch turbo back exhaust, awesome exhaust. I actually drove this car for years totally straight piped, which sounds insane, but actually something you have to think about on these cars is a turbo actually acts as a muffler, so it's not nearly as loud and as raspy as an NA car. Still quite loud, but not quite as bad. About a year and a half ago, my daughter was born, and so it was time to quiet up the car so we could still use it as a family car. And I installed this Borla Pro XS, which is a great muffler. Something I wanted to point out here, our Amazon piping is actually still looking really good, which the car doesn't see much weather, so it's not a huge surprise, but it looks pretty good. Something to note about this is a great muffler for, say, an NA car. Like on my yellow car, this muffler sounds absolutely fantastic. I made a video about installing this muffler and got lots of great feedback. Seemed everyone was pumped except for me. It has a great tone. I do really like this muffler. It just is too mellow for personally what I like, and it just feels like my car lost its soul. This is a decently quick VR6 Turbo. Pretty aggressive with the engine mount. It's got 268 cams, and honestly it just feels like the car is just stock with this muffler. I want to hear those cams at idle, and I want to hear it really open up when you get on it. So what we got here today, once again, shout out to Evil Energy. They sent us V-bands just like the one that we got on here, which is great because we can swap on this muffler again if, say, we're going to Roots Classic or traveling several hours. It is nice to have a quiet option, but today we're making the car loud. So, actually gonna put the old tailpipe that used to be on the car when I had it straight piped and add this 5-inch Vibrant Performance little muffler, resonator, really, whatever you wanna call it. So, it's gonna be loud. I'm excited to hear it. I will say they do make different lengths. If I wasn't just wanting desperately a car that's much louder, I'd probably do like the 9-inch, but like I said, it's nice that we can swap between a quiet version and a loud version, and who knows, maybe we can build more in the future. So let's do this. I can't wait to hear this thing. The exhaust is on the car, and I am super pumped with the outcome. One thing that's super cool about this specific setup with the V-band is that having the hanger on the side, you can actually twist the whole exhaust to raise and lower the tip. Something you don't really think about, but that's really cool. So now for the moment we have been waiting on. Obviously, it's gonna be louder. Hopefully louder, but just not quite the rasp that it was before, totally straight piped with that resonator on there. Hopefully be able to hear the cams. So let's check this out. Definitely louder, much louder. Oh yes, the idle's still up a little bit, but already you can hear the 268 cams. That is awesome. super pumped about that. Not gonna rev it up more than that cold. And unfortunately, it decided to start raining outside. So we'll let the car sit inside. Hopefully tomorrow afternoon it's gonna be nice and we'll take it out, find out for real what it sounds like. So much fun. Torque steer. I love this car. I am super pumped with the car. I actually put about 75 miles on the car this week. You got a ton of brake dust on the wheels, bugs all over the front bumper, but miles per gallon, we are off the charts. I am just absolutely in love with this car again. You can hear the 268 cams, you can hear turbo noises through the tailpipe again, and you can also hear good Wookiee noises, which that's what we're looking for out of a VR6 Turbo. So super pumped. As far as the Vibrant Performance Resonator, if you're looking to quiet it up, this is not the muffler to go with. But definitely took out some of those straight piped, gargly, raspy noises. Also straight piped on deacceleration, it would get some weird little pops and stuff. That just kind of cleaned it up. So really happy with that. So let me know in the comments what you guys think of the exhaust, what we should build next version for. So yeah, hopefully we'll see you guys next weekend at the Corrado cruise. Hopefully the weather changes because it's not looking great at this point. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Hit the thumbs up button before you go. We'll catch you guys next time. Peace.